To create or edit a one-time offering of a course, follow these steps. First, click the administration icon, then Learning Activities. The Activity Management screen allows you to filter and find a specific learning activity. To edit an offering, first find the activity and then click the Edit button. To create a new offering, find the course and then click the radio button next to it. Then click the New Activity button and then Offering of Selected Activity. Click on the calendar next to Start Date and click on the date your class starts. Select the start time. Click on the red X at the bottom of the calendar when done. Click on the calendar next to End Date and click on the date your class ends. Select the end time. Click on the red X at the bottom of the calendar when done. Typically, the start and end times of the offering match the credit value awarded by the course. In the maximum capacity field, type the number of seats in your class. When finished, click Build Offering. The first thing you should notice is that there are two different modes. The Stage mode allows you to add or update settings for new or existing activities. The Production mode allows you to lock all settings and publishes the activity, allowing learners to access it. You'll have to move the activity back to the Stage mode to edit it. If you are editing an existing offering, make sure to click Send to Stage to allow you to make changes. New activities automatically start in the Stage mode. Complete the properties of your activity. Required fields are marked with asterisks. At the end of the name, add a dash and the location. If the offering will be conducted virtually, you can add Online. The primary domain and the activity type should not be changed. The code should not be changed. MyPDE will assign a unique 6-digit number to all courses. Under Status, leave Active checked. You would only select Canceled if you want to cancel the offering. The User Notes field is available if you wish to type notes that apply to all attendees. Under Registration Deadline, select Days Before Start Date and type the number of days before the class starts when registration should be closed. Under Cancellation Deadline, select Days Before Start Date and type the number of days before the class starts when learners can no longer cancel their registration. Under Availability, Open for Registration should be checked to allow users to register for the activity. It should be unchecked if you will be enrolling users into the offering and no registration is required. Entering a number in minimum capacity will send a system-generated email 1 week before your course begins, letting you know if you have not met the minimum number of participants. You could then decide to cancel the offering. You should ignore the Until the learner successfully completes the activity section. To add an evaluation, otherwise known as a class survey, click Add. Click the checkbox beside the evaluation you wish to add, and then click Next. Change notification trigger to User Complete with 0 trigger offset days. In the Days to Complete field, choose 60. This means the user will have 60 days from today's date to complete the evaluation. If the user required more time to complete the evaluation, you may increase the days to complete to increase this time. Leave Activity Evaluation Date blank and click OK. To add an instructor, click on Add, then click Next. Type the instructor's last name in the search box and press Enter to find your instructor. Check the gray box next to the instructor's name. If you have co-instructors, continue searching for and selecting additional instructors. Click on the Next button at the bottom of the window, then click OK. To add a location, click on Add. In the search box, Type the school or building name and press Enter to find the room for your class. If the offering will be conducted virtually, search for Online. Check the gray box next to the room and click OK. Click on the Save button at the bottom right corner. Click on View Tracks at the top left corner, then click on Waiting List. Under Waiting List Type, choose Smart. Under Smart Waiting List Expiration Date, click on the calendar and select a date. This is the last day someone on the waiting list can receive an email notification that a seat is available. Click on the next field to choose the expiration time for the email notification to go out. Under Smart Waiting List Hold Time, type 24. Click on the OK button. Click View Activities. Click on Validate for Production at the bottom left corner. MyPDE will check for errors. Click on Move to Production to allow learners to register. Click on the Close button at the bottom right corner. Please note that it may take a few minutes for learners to find the offering in the library and using the search icon. It is a good practice for you to search for any new offerings as a learner to check that everything was set up correctly and that learners will be able to find the course successfully. Any learners who use the Express Interest for the course should receive an email notification when any offering is added.